Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Diana, Application Engineer at Reliant Design Solutions. Welcome to a new AutoCAD demo video. In this quick demo, we will learn to place dimension, which will annotate your drawing. I will be using this drawing to make the explanation more clearer. Here we have vertical, horizontal, and slanted lines, one small circle, and arc. Before we can start placing the dimension, you are recommended to create a specific layer for dimension and its own style, so that we can set up and match all the settings with the drawing's object. Under Dimensions panel, we can see there are several commands to help to do it, like dimension, linear, align, angular, and all here. And also continue and baseline. We will go through the essential commands in this demo. Let's get started. First, I will try to do linear dimension. To place the dimension from one point to another, we just need to click from the first or starting point to the end point and click on empty area to decide the location of dimension, whether you want to put it at up or at down. Let's place another one at the vertical lines. And here we can see AutoCAD allows us to either produce dimension for horizontal or vertical measurement. We are free to choose any of it. Move on to the next type of dimension, which is align. To do that, let's just pick the same point as the previous dimension that I did for us to compare the differences between align and linear dimensions. Obviously, we can see linear allows straight dimensioning, while align dimensions allow to annotate the length of the line no matter what the angle is. Next, we have angular dimension. The function of angular dimension is to give dimension for arc, or circle, or line. The step is you just need to bring the cursor to any one of it and click on it. But with a line, remember, we need to click two lines in order to know the angle between them. Another type of dimension inside AutoCAD is arc length, and the steps required the same as we did for the angular dimension, but this command cannot be used on lines, only for arc and circle. All dimensions that we place inside our drawing or inside our model tab, there are grips provided for us if we select on it. For example, this grip enables to relocate the position of dimension, while the second grip permits us to move the position of dimension value. Next, we have the radius and diameter commands. For these commands, we are free to select on arc or circle that we want to annotate. Select the grip if you want to move it to a new position. Now, let's take a look at a big dimension command under the Dimensions panel. So the function actually it will help us by come up with the most suitable dimension type for the line or anything that touch our cursor, mouse cursor. We are always be able to change to a different type by pressing drop down arrow on keyboard or click at the command line. By using this command, we do not need to click 2 points for dimensioning line as I demonstrated. We are in the last part of this demo. There are only 2 left, which are baseline and continue. The rule to use this dimension is we need to place any type of dimension that we learned before, like linear, align, or anything. The easiest type of dimension that if you want to see the comparison is by taking the linear type. So I will show you on how to use both of the dimensions using linear as its starting. Place one linear dimension and click on the baseline command. We can see that AutoCAD immediately come up with dimension line at the cursor by taking the starting point of the linear dimension as its starting point too. So we just need to continue with the next point while the starting point always at the one same point. Last but not least, let's try do the dimension for continue command. The steps are the same as the baseline. The only difference is just the starting point of the continue type is the last point of the previous dimension rather than sharing one starting point like baseline command. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for our improvement in the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum.